I have the same issue with wiring the diagram old furnace board stay 24057 with a new furnace board ST9129U.
I need a wiring diagram for a old furnace board stay 24057 with a new furnace board ST9129U.
Wrong number. The right board number is 4057 with a new ST9120U. Do you have the model on the furnace also? I am replacing a furnace board ST9120C4057 with the new one ST9120U. I need wiring diagram because the old one do not have the same numbers on the board. Give me just a few minutes to type instructions. 1. 6-pin plug will be same too. Fan motor wires A. White, neutral, to number 1 neutral terminal B. Black to cool terminal C. Red to heat terminal D. Blue to CONT terminal E. Yellow to unused terminal 3. Transformer XFMR to XFMR4. Transformer SEC to SEC5. Inducer wires A. White to neutral 2B. Black to DI6. Power wires A. White to neutral 3B. Black to 17. Transformer high voltage A. White to neutral 4B. Black to 2 set dip switches as follows. 1 equals on, 2 equals off, 3 equals on, 4 on. I am switching the ST9120C4057 to a ST9120U. Can you send me the wiring diagram for the switch? Which wire do you not understand where to put on new board? These should cover everything. http://www.forwardthinking.honeywell.com/related_linked/combustion/ST9120U/install/69_0644.pdf. The yellow transformer wire. Low voltage transformer wires go to XMFR and SEC. There is 2 wires, a thin black and a then darker blue, that went into one S2 terminal on old board. Can you tell me where they go on new board? Thanks for all your help. It's cold here in my town.
Posted by JustAnswer Customer and number 39, S request. Hello. I would like to request the following expert services from you: live video call. Let me know if you need more information, or send me the service offers so we can proceed.
Sorry I had retired for the evening after you did not reply back within 30 minutes. I am so sorry. If you still need help, we can go from here. I got the furnace powered up and on the board the flash indicted is saying a limit switch or burner limit switch is open. Okay, were you having this issue with other board and do you know how to check the limits? I watch a video on how. But the inducer motor did come on before and now it isn't. Could this have been the issue and not the board, because everything will on but no gas on for burners? I was getting low voltage from the gas valve and not 24 going in. Let's make sure we really don't have an open limit. Some boards will allow everything to work except gas valve with an open limit, and some will not allow anything to happen. Look first near the burner switch with 2 terminals and a small red button in center, maybe 3 or 4 depending on furnace. Push red button in center to reset. Let me know if that solves the problem. If not, give me full model on furnace so I can pull a manual. See the limit here, http://i.imgur.com/cgkb9sa.jpg.
Give me 25 minutes. I have to take my wife to work.
No problem. I am still not 100% sure that wiring is all the way it should because I was getting the inducer motor to come on first and now is not. I switched some wires around and not sure if they are correct. Like for instance the white and black wire coming out of the transformer. White from transformer should go to terminal marked neutral and black should go to terminal marked 2. I've seen in a previous text from someone else if they were having the same problem with identifying the old board the new board. It can be a bit tricky, but we should have it right if wired like my previous post. The board that I have is a ST9120U and I didn't see the number 2. If you have a diagram, can you tell me where this is located on that board? Also, if you have a cross-reference, is that for the correct replacement board for a ST9120C4057? You should have a terminal I voltage and a terminal 2 right beside each other. See this link http://i.imgur.com/stp7ecv.png. This is a diagram of my old board. For them pull minute roll terminals are 13, 15, 17 etc. My new board D is a ST9120U. Diagram came from this link ST9120U. http://www.forwardthinking.honeywell.com/related_links/combustion/st9120/install/69_0644.pdf. What do you mean pull minute roll terminals are 13, 15, 17 etc.? Neutral terminals. Sorry about the texts, I'm using talk to text while I'm driving. The diagram that you sent me is from my old board. Can you send me a picture of new board? Diagram came from this link ST9120U, http://www.forwardthinking.honeywell.com/related_links/combustion/st9120/install/69_0644.pdf. Go ahead and upload pictures of board if you can. I will open to other experts until I get back so you are not waiting.
Okay.
Okay, can someone help me with a wiring diagram from a ST9120C4057 to a ST9120U? Upgrade new model. I need a wire for wire to where every wire go on new style. The furnace is a 1993 ICP. Remove panel in front of burners and look label on inside, usually right hand side, and give me the model on the furnace. Also, are there any numbers following the ST9120U? This is the control board I have shown as the 9120U. I am attaching a diagram showing where each wire goes. See link below http://i.imgur.com/equal2683.png. The board I got from my heating company is the updated version is ST9120U1011. Can you give me the same diagram wiring for this model board? http://www.supplyhouse.com/honeywell ST9120U1011 Universal Electronic Fan Timer with adjustable heat. GCLID equals CJ0 Kekia 6 Gemberg 5 Tilroyd GCU Spakewana 3 IB4 Z7 Jill 4 Z42 W3 Imski SME 116 Archba 40 Tulma Acno 8P8 Hawk. See diagram below, http://i.imgur.com/3ltdndl.png. Yes, that the one.
Thanks for all your help.
On this problem I did replace the board and open burner limited switch. I do not have a limit control switch, is showing up on the flashing light blinks. I removed the limited switch and I checked for continuity with my voltage meter and it do. What could be causes limit switch to be open? Make sure the wires are pushed into the 6-pin connector good and all wires in limit circuit are making good connection. If so, bypass each limit one at a time to see if one is open. It could be a flame rollout switch. I see 2 limit switches on both sides of the blower box. How important is those? The furnace was built in 1993 ICP. They are important, but you can bypass just long enough to see if furnace runs with them jumped. I jumped all of the switches and still the blower comes right on, followed in 3 seconds by inducer blower and spark igniter and coming on, but still no gas release. When igniter sparks, do you hear gas valve solenoid click, and are you getting 24 V to the valve? I really cannot hear the gas valve because the blower and the inducer motor is going at the same time. But I am getting 24 volts to the gas valve, and I also check to see if any amperage is coming out of the gas valve, which it is. If we are getting 24 volts to gas valve, furnace should ignite. If not igniting, we have a gas pressure issue or bad gas valve. What would I need to do if there is a gas pressure issue? If the issue is with gas pressure to the valve, call the local gas supplier. They may need to adjust the regulator coming into the house.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.